Mix lemon with garlic and you will never have to go to the doctor again. I haven't been sick for 35 years with this natural antibiotic. To start, we're going to need ginger. You're going to peel and cut it. Our next ingredient is red onion, which we shall cut into small pieces. We will also need the garlic. 3 cloves of garlic peel and cut very thin. When you cut all these items, we shall add a liter of water to a pan and put a tablespoon of turmeric, the famous saffron of the earth. Mix everything very well, let it boil, and after boiling, you go through a sieve inside. You will potentiate by putting lemon slices and will put a couple of tablespoons of honey. This mixture has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that will enhance the benefits of this healing portion. Just take a spoon of this mixture 3 times a day, and you will cleanse your kidneys and liver and improve your immune system, and you won't get sick. Comment, "Yes, I will try it," and follow our page for more health tips.